it's time for you to vote for what is the best video editing platform of 2019. This is for bragging rights. This is for you to come back to this video in years' time and say, we, the people, voted this platform as the best video editing platform of 2019. Now, we're not talking about free video editors in this case. We're talking about Premiere Pro and we're talking about Final Cut Pro 10. All of your votes will be counted down below. And at the end of 2019, we will be officially announcing which video editing platform is the best and the top and the people's choice for a video editing platform of 2019. It will be counted at the end of the year. But up until then, I'll be obviously counting votes, especially if there's a lot of votes that are coming in. I will also have help counting these votes. So it won't be just me, there'll be other people counting those votes as well, just to make sure that we get it spot on. Now you can voice your opinions as to why you choose your selected video editor if you feel that helps your argument as to why you have voted for Premiere Pro or for Final Cut Pro 10. And you can do this down in the comment section down below. But this vote is all about bragging rights. This means that you can come back to this video in 2 years' time and you can say that the people of YouTube and all on social media that watch YouTube, that your community, that your friends, family, or whoever you have shared this video with have voted as to what is better between these two editing platforms, Final Cut Pro 10 or Premiere Pro. Now, for professional video editors like me, I can be impartial. I can love Premiere Pro and I can also love Final Cut Pro 10 for various reasons. And the main video editor I focus on here on my channel as of 2019 is Final Cut Pro 10. This is about what you think. This is about what the people think about which video editor is the best of 2019. Maybe you're watching this in 2020. Maybe you're watching this in 2021 and you're going back to share this video as to when the vote took place. Maybe you're coming back to see what started it all, because this debate has been going on for a fairly long time, but I feel like it's time to finally let it out. It's time to finally put this argument to bed. It's time to finally stop the arguments on the internet about which is better and finally make a choice as to which video editor is top, which video editor is king or queen, which video editor is the top of the mountain, the creme de la creme, the best choice, the people's choice here on YouTube. Share this video around, because if your video editor loses, if your platform loses, then you are constantly always gonna have that other users of that other platform on your back about this. You can't later on, when 2019 has ended, come back and try to up the votes, because those votes won't be counted. This is about which of the two is the best of 2019. It's going to be a tight one. This is going to be tight. This is going to be tight. I know it is already. I'm a part of many video editing communities here on YouTube and on Facebook. I talk to editors all day long. It's part of the gig here on YouTube and what I do. I teach editing, so therefore I'm also talking to editors daily. And this includes you. That's the reason why you're here on this YouTube channel, because you want to learn how to edit something, or you want to learn more about a plugin you want to purchase, or maybe there's a technique that I've taught you or that we've spoken about, or an upgrade to your machinery, whether it's Windows or Mac, that I've spoken about here on my channel, that's ultimately centered around editing. But while I've been talking to other editors who use different platforms, we have always come back to that same question. You guys always ask the same question when you're ready to purchase a video editor. It's always, which one is better, Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro 10? I'm looking at you. Yeah, you are in full control of which video editor will be voted the best video editor of 2019. Share this video around, get them to comment down below as to what the favorite and best choice for video editing platform is of 2019. Maybe you've come back here in 2020 and you want to add some more votes just to add that insult to injury to the people who are on the other side of the fence. If you are a Final Cut Pro 10 user, share this with your communities. Share this video because this is the video that is going to count. We're going to count all of the views here on this video. All of the votes will be counted here on this video. This is for bragging rights. This is if you're a Final Cut Pro 10 user and you have won the vote at the end of the year in 2019. This is for you to turn back and tell all those Premiere Pro users, no, you know what? Final Cut is the best. And vice versa. If you're using Premiere Pro and you believe that Premiere Pro is better than Final Cut Pro 10, then this is the time that you get those bragging rights where you can come back to this video in a year's time, 2 years time, 3 years time, and you can say that the people chose Premiere Pro. Which one is it going to be? Is it going to be your chosen video editor, or is it going to be the other guy's video editor that you don't have, that you haven't purchased yet? This is the time to have that vote. We're going to find out which is better. We're finally going to find out which is better of 2019, Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro 10. And with that said, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and I'll see you in the next video here on Anthony Allen Edits.